Hello, good morning, all of you. I welcome you for the today's lecture that is about the types of water erosion. Today's topic of the lecture is the types of or the different types of water erosion. There are various types of water erosion, about six types of water erosion. That is the first one is that is the splash erosion. The first type of water erosion is the splash erosion. Then the second one is the sheet erosion. Then third one is the aerial erosion. Then fourth one is the gully erosion. Fifth one is the stream bank erosion, and the last one, that is the sixth number, is the sea shore erosion, and also it is called as the uh, coastal line erosion. Coastal line erosion. Now we will see one by one. That is the first, that is the splash erosion, right? The splash erosion is also called as the raindrop erosion. The splash erosion is also called as the raindrop erosion. The splash erosion is also called as the raindrop erosion because it is caused by the impact of raindrops on exposed soil surface, right? Because this erosion is caused due to the impact of a raindrop. This erosion is caused due to the impact of a raindrop over the exposed soil surface, and that is why this type of erosion is called as the raindrop erosion, and also it is called as the splash erosion. It is called as the splash erosion because due to the impact of a raindrop, due to the impact of the raindrop over the exposed soil surface, over the exposed soil surface, there is splashing of soil particles with some amount of water into the air up to some certain height, about 50 to 75 centimeter into the air. And this and that is why, as there is splashing of soil particles into the air, this erosion is called as the splash erosion. This erosion, that is the raindrop erosion, is called as the splash erosion. In the figure 1.3, you can see the picture describing splash erosion of the soil, right? There you can see a picture in the right upper corner. That is the there is a impact of raindrop over the exposed soil surface, and there you can observe the splashing of some there is splashing of some soil particles into the air. Now, this second type of water erosion is the sheet erosion. The second type of water erosion is the sheet erosion. Now, what is the sheet erosion? Sheet erosion may be defined as more or less uniform removal of soil in the form of a thin layer or in sheet from formed by the flowing water from a given width of sloping land. That is called as the sheet erosion. That is called as the sheet erosion. What is the sheet erosion? Sheet erosion may be defined as more or less uniform removal of soil in the form of a thin layer or in the form of a sheet by flowing water from a given width of sloping land, that is called as the sheet erosion. That is called as the sheet erosion. Now if it is not clear to you that is what is the sheet erosion, if consider that there is a sloping ground surface, there is a sloping ground surface, and there is runoff flow over the ground surface. There is a runoff flow over the ground surface from upstream side to the downstream side, from upstream side to the downstream side. And if the ground level is initially at the level a level at point a dash, right? Initially the ground level is at the or the ground surface is at level that is the a dash, right? That is the initial level of ground surface. But due to the runoff flow, there is a removal of soil in a thin layer. There is a removal of soil in a thin layer, and because of there is a soil loss or the removal of soil, the new ground surface level will be b dash, will be b dash. Means the middle portion that is shown by the cross lines is get washed off with the runoff water, is get washed off with the runoff water. And that is why there is the loss of soil, or there is a loss of soil, that is the soil erosion, in the form of a thin sheet, in the form of a thin sheet, or in the form of a thin layer of soil. And that is that type of erosion is called as the sheet erosion. That type of erosion is called as the sheet erosion. Then next type of water erosion is the rill erosion. Now this surface flow containing soil particles in suspension form moves ahead and forms micro channel and rills. Forms micro channel and rills. Such a type of erosion due to the action of surface flow is called as the rill erosion, and it is also called as the micro channel erosion. Rill erosion is also called as micro channel erosion because there is development of some micro channels, or there is development of rills which could be said as micro channels. That is why the rill erosion is also called as the micro channel erosion. Next type of water erosion is the gully erosion. When rills get larger in size and shape due to prolonged occurrence of flow through them and cannot be removed by tillage operation, these are called as gullies, and that erosion is called as the gully erosion. Then the next type of erosion is the stream bank erosion. Stream bank erosion is defined as the removal of stream bank soil by water either flowing the sides of the stream or scoring from there. Such a erosion is called as the stream bank erosion. Then the next type of water erosion is the sea shore erosion or coastal erosion. Sea shore erosion is also called as coastal erosion. Sea shore erosion is the wearing away of land and the removal of beach or dune sediments by wave action, tidal currents, wave current, or drainage, and the soil erosion due to such actions, that is the wave action, tidal current, wave current, or drainage from the coastal line. Such erosion is called as the coastal erosion or sea shore erosion.